In the late Jurassic period, around 150 million years ago, Earth was home to an array of remarkable creatures that would go on to capture the imagination of scientists and the public alike. Among these creatures was Ceratosaurus, a theropod dinosaur that roamed what is now North America, Africa, and parts of Europe. Its name, meaning horned lizard, refers to the distinctive feature that sets it apart from many of its contemporaries, a prominent horn-like structure located on its snout. Ceratosaurus was a medium-sized carnivorous dinosaur, typically reaching lengths of about 20 feet and weighing up to 500 kilograms. While it was not as large or imposing as some of the other dinosaurs in the Jurassic period, such as the mighty Allosaurus or the colossal Brachiosaurus, Ceratosaurus was still a formidable predator in its own right. Its body was sleek and built for speed, designed to track and capture prey in the dynamic, ever-changing ecosystems of the Jurassic period. One of the most striking features of Ceratosaurus is its skull. It had a long, narrow head, filled with sharp, serrated teeth perfectly suited for slicing into the flesh of its prey. Its teeth were not as large as those of some of the more famous carnivores of its time, but they were highly effective for its predatory lifestyle. These teeth were used to catch, tear, and consume a wide variety of prey, including smaller dinosaurs, fish, and possibly even some of the early mammals that roamed alongside it. But it wasn't just its teeth that made Ceratosaurus a fearsome hunter. The most notable feature of Ceratosaurus is the horn-like structure on its nose. While the exact purpose of this horn is still a subject of debate among paleontologists, there are several theories about why it evolved this unique characteristic. Some scientists believe the horn may have been used for attracting mates, while others suggest it could have served as a tool for combat or defense. The horn may have helped Ceratosaurus assert dominance over its territory, fend off rivals, or possibly play a role in intraspecific combat, where it could have been used in head-to-head battles with other members of its species. The Ceratosaurus body was built for efficiency and agility. Its long, muscular tail was an essential feature, providing balance as it moved swiftly through its environment. Its hind limbs were powerful and well-muscled, allowing it to sprint after prey or escape from larger predators when necessary. These strong back legs were a key feature of many theropods, helping them to become some of the fastest and most efficient predators in their ecosystems. Meanwhile, its forelimbs, though relatively short, were still strong and equipped with sharp claws that would have been useful for grabbing onto prey or in close-quarters combat. Despite its predatory nature, Ceratosaurus was not at the top of the food chain. Larger carnivorous dinosaurs like Allosaurus, which coexisted with Ceratosaurus, were more powerful and better suited for hunting large prey. However, Ceratosaurus' smaller size allowed it to occupy a unique ecological niche, where it could prey on smaller animals that the larger predators overlooked. It was an opportunistic hunter, making use of its speed and agility to hunt efficiently, often scavenging or preying on smaller dinosaurs, amphibians, or even fish that inhabited the waters of its environment. What is also fascinating about Ceratosaurus is its ability to adapt to various environments. It lived in a time when the Earth was filled with lush, dense forests and vast floodplains, where rivers and lakes provided ample opportunities for prey. Whether stalking through thick vegetation or pursuing prey along the water's edge, Ceratosaurus was well-equipped to navigate these diverse environments. Its diet likely consisted of smaller dinosaurs, amphibians, and perhaps aquatic creatures, depending on the specific location where it lived. As we explore more about Ceratosaurus, it's clear that its adaptability in the wild played a significant role in its survival. Ceratosaurus was not just an efficient predator, but also a versatile one. Fossil evidence suggests that it occupied a variety of habitats, from forested regions to open plains, adapting to different environments with ease. The ability to thrive in both dense forests and more open terrains gave Ceratosaurus an advantage in hunting and evading larger predators. One of the most intriguing aspects of Ceratosaurus is its hunting behavior. Though it was a carnivore, its smaller size compared to contemporaneous predators like Allosaurus or Torvosaurus meant it specialized in preying on smaller, more agile animals. It likely hunted small to medium-sized dinosaurs, including early herbivorous species like Dryosaurus or Camptosaurus, which were abundant in its environment. Evidence suggests that Ceratosaurus also preyed on fish and amphibians, particularly in the lush, watery environments that surrounded the dinosaur's habitat. Ceratosaurus was not only a predator, but also an opportunistic scavenger. In times when hunting might have been scarce, it could have relied on scavenging to find food. Fossil evidence shows that Ceratosaurus likely fed on carcasses left by larger predators, taking advantage of available resources. This scavenging behavior would have been crucial for survival, particularly during periods when food was not abundant. Despite its smaller size compared to some of the larger Jurassic predators, Ceratosaurus was well equipped for survival. Its powerful hind legs allowed it to move swiftly and efficiently, enabling it to chase down prey or escape potential threats. The long, muscular tail was another crucial feature, providing balance and agility as it hunted. The tail also played a key role in Ceratosaurus' ability to make sharp turns, quickly adjusting its direction during a chase. Its forelimbs, while shorter than those of other theropods, were still relatively strong. They were equipped with sharp claws, which may have been used for grasping prey or in defensive encounters. Despite not being as large or powerful as those of some of its larger relatives, Ceratosaurus' forelimbs were well suited to its predatory lifestyle, providing it with the ability to grab, hold, and manipulate its prey effectively. Ceratosaurus' most distinguishing feature, the horn-like structure on its snout, remains a subject of much debate. Some paleontologists suggest that this horn was likely used for intraspecific combat, where males may have used it to battle each other for dominance or mates. Others believe that the horn might have been involved in mating displays, signaling fitness or strength to potential mates. Another possibility is that the horn served as a form of defense, allowing Ceratosaurus to protect itself from larger predators or rivals. The horn may have also helped Ceratosaurus to assert dominance in its environment. By establishing territories or engaging in head-to-head confrontations with other Ceratosaurus individuals, the horn could have played a role in reducing conflicts or avoiding them altogether. Some researchers believe the horn could have been a visual signal, marking Ceratosaurus as a species with a clear physical distinction, allowing other animals to recognize it as a formidable predator. Fossilized remains of Ceratosaurus suggest that it lived in relatively small groups, though it likely still had to compete with larger predators for resources. The horn may have provided an advantage in protecting territory and securing food. Its ability to compete with other carnivorous dinosaurs, like Allosaurus, is still a subject of research, but it's clear that Ceratosaurus filled an important niche in the ecosystems of the Late Jurassic. Despite its relatively smaller size compared to other theropods, Ceratosaurus had a significant impact on its environment. It was an efficient predator that hunted smaller prey but could also survive by scavenging. Its horn, though its exact function is still debated, may have provided it with advantages in both defense and social interactions. Ceratosaurus' adaptability, hunting prowess, and unique characteristics made it a key player in the dynamic ecosystems of the Late Jurassic period. Today, Ceratosaurus remains an important subject of study for paleontologists seeking to understand the diversity of life during the Jurassic period. Its fossils offer a window into a world long gone, providing us with vital clues about the evolution of theropods and the role of smaller carnivores in the ancient ecosystems. While it may not have been the largest or most fearsome predator, Ceratosaurus played a crucial role in maintaining balance within the food chain, and its legacy continues to inspire awe and curiosity in the world of paleontology.